In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to book a flight on Expedia. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to use the search function on Expedia to look for your next flight. You will be able to book a flight directly through the Expedia website or mobile app, and all that you have to do is access the home screen for either of them. In here, you will see this search function, and you can browse through stays, flights, cars, packages, things to do, and cruises. For this video, I'm going to be focusing on flights, so choose the appropriate option, and then for flights specifically, you can choose between round trip, one-way, or multi-city. You will be able to select from either of these four fares. You have economy class, premium economy, business class, and then first class. So choose whichever one is suited for you, and then choose between round trip, one-way, or multi-city. Now, you will be able to set up the origin and then the destination. You can switch them here if needed, and then the dates. Since I chose a one-way flight, I only have to select one date, but if you chose something like a round trip, you will have to select two dates, one for the departure and another one for you whenever you go back. So set up the dates accordingly, and then choose the amount of passengers. You can choose between adults, children, infants on lap, and infants on seat, and you can follow the age guidelines here right underneath the specific category. Make sure that you select this appropriately because all of the passengers will need to have their contact information confirmed at the end, and if you are satisfied, click search. All of the results will appear according to your criteria, and the first thing that you will notice is that in here they are going to give you a summary of this specific week, and you might be able to find better prices. So as you can see, I'm gonna switch over to this day of this week because it has the cheapest price possible. You can also use the filters at the left side of the screen for things like stops, airlines, travel and baggage, departure time, and so on, but for this video I'm going to keep it simple. You should take your time and carefully browse through everything that suits you. You can sort them by price, duration, departure, and arrival dates, and once you select any of the flights here, you will be able to select the fare and proceed. They will offer you optional hotels, but this isn't needed, and you don't have to acquire a stay if you don't want to, and when you proceed, you will be able to set up your seats and then your bags. I'm gonna skip this, but like I said, you can take your time and pay additional fees for better seats or even extra baggage. Now, on the end, you will be able to confirm the contact information for all passengers. You will be able to select one account for each, choose the payment method from the ones available, and then proceed. Your flight will be attributed to your Expedia account, and you can access the information at any time. I hope I was able to help you on how to book a flight on Expedia. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.